In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell coffee on Shopify. If you're passionate about coffee and ready to launch your online business, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you're set up for success. Let's get started by diving into the exciting world of e-commerce. First things first, you'll need to create a Shopify account if you don't have one already. Head over to the Shopify website and sign up. You'll find the registration process straightforward, requiring just a few basic details like your email and a unique store name. This initial step sets the foundation for your online store, so take a moment to select a store name that reflects your brand and stays memorable. Once your account is ready and you're in your Shopify admin dashboard, it's time to set up your store. Configuring your store settings is crucial. Start by navigating to the Settings tab, where you can update essential details such as your store's address, general information, and contact options. These settings ensure your customers know exactly where their coffee beans are coming from and how to reach you if they have questions. Next, we turn our attention to adding products, the heart of your store. In the Products section, click Add Product to begin listing your coffee offerings. For each coffee type, provide detailed descriptions that capture their unique flavors and origins. Remember, engaging images can make all the difference, so include high-quality photos that showcase both the packaging and, if possible, the coffee itself. This is where you can truly connect with your potential customers, so craft compelling product descriptions that tell your coffee's story. Now, let's configure payment and shipping settings to make sure you can smoothly process orders and deliver to your customers. In the Payments section, choose the options you want to offer. Shopify supports several methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and other alternative payments, allowing you the flexibility to cater to your audience's preference. For shipping, determine the regions you'll ship to and establish your shipping rates. Whether you're starting locally or offering international delivery, clear shipping information instills trust in your buyers. Customizing your store theme is another key step. Click on Online Store, then Themes, to explore free and paid options. Select one that aligns with your brand aesthetic and customize it to match your identity. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts as necessary. Your store's look and feel can significantly influence a customer's decision to make a purchase. Lastly, before you launch your store, navigate to the Preferences section to add a catchy page title and meta description, boosting your store's visibility online. Switching your store from offline to online is the final step, a simple toggle in your Shopify dashboard. That's it. You've set up your very own Shopify coffee store. Remember, growing an online business is a journey. Keep refining your strategies, engage with your customers, and explore marketing options to reach a wider audience. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Shopify adventure.